Welcome to the SaaStack Explainer, your shortcut from code to customer in days, not months. Let's go. We're starting from zero, one command, that's all it takes to install SaaStack Basic. No setup drama, no dependency hell. You instantly get a battle-tested .NET and React foundation ready to ship. From clean install to full SaaS scaffold instantly. Jump into your IDE and everything is exactly where it should be. A clean architecture, front end and back end mirroring each other, services, models, components, all wired, all organized, all ready for real production work. Let's build it. React compiles cleanly, no config, no hacks, no head scratching. Just a modern, reliable front end ready to run. Zero friction, maximum speed. Now the fun part, running the tests. SaaStack ships with a full suite of front-end and back-end tests already written for you. We're running them at high speed here for the demo, but in real time, it all passes every single test. Green checks, clean code, zero surprises. Time to run it. Fire up the app and boom, you've got a real SaaS experience instantly. Auth, UI, API, data. Everything connected, everything live. So create an account, log in, and you're straight into your app. No manual wiring, no glue code, it just works. Behind the scenes, structure is built for teams that ship fast. Services, controllers, components, utilities, all following best practice patterns. This is the scaffolding most teams spend weeks, if not months, building. You get it on day one. Speed by default, scale by design. Ready to level up? Upgrade from basic to standard with just one command. Billing, analytics, single sign-on, extra pages. SaaStack drops in all the serious features your SaaS product needs. Big features, zero effort. Now rebuild the project and watch the new modules slot straight into your solution. No migration scripts here, no messy setup, just instant capability, upgraded and ready to run. Well, that's SaaStack in action. From install to build to test to launch to upgrade. A complete production-ready SaaS starter kit engineered for speed. Ship faster, ship smarter. Try SaaStack today at SaaStack.com.